Yes, here it is. RTX 2060 for laptops and desktops. RTX laptops, woo! Alright champs, let's get rid of Windows Home and let's get some Windows Pro. Copy and paste my code from the description. New codes, new discount. You can get Windows Professional, Office. Paste my code. Boom! It's Windows Pro time. Oh yes, it's time for RTX laptops. RTX 2060 coming out for desktop and of course laptops. This is what you need to know. $349 for the desktop. It starts at 6GB RAM. Actually, just have a look at the specs. You can see there. It can play Battlefield 5, 60 frames per second, RTX and DLSS enabled at 60 frames per second, 1440p. $349. That's pretty cool. I'm going to talk about the laptops in a minute, but this RTX 2060 performs better than a GTX 1070 Ti, which cost around $450. So that's pretty good performance. And these will be in short supply. You know, the prices are going to be very high. You'll be lucky if you get one for MSRP or recommended retail. And it will also be coming with gaming bundles too. So I think you can pick from a couple of games that have RTX in the games themselves. So you can test out the RTX. It looks promising with DLSS and RTX. You know, if you can get 60 frames per second, 1440p, wow, that's pretty friggin' cool. That's pretty amazing for, you know, which is really the entry level of the higher end GPUs. Available January 15th if you can get one. So yeah, refresh if you want one straight away. But this may mean other graphics cards come out cheaper. Wait for tests, but if it's as fast as a 1070 Ti, you can work out price, performance from there. All right, laptops. Did you see that? Did you see the Aero 15x with the GTX 2080 Max Q in it? Jensen said it was faster than the 1080 Ti. I don't know what he was smoking. He actually come on stage. He was out of breath. I don't know if he knocked one out before the show, but there's no way a 2080 in a laptop's going to beat a 1080 Ti desktop. But anyway, the laptops are coming. There's going to be 40 laptops, they said, from every partner. 29th of June, they'll start shipping. I was amazed when I saw the GigaByte Aero with a 2080 in it. It would probably be Max Q, but that's friggin' amazing. And the GS75, the MSI laptop too, same GPU. Now there's going to have to be some serious work done on cooling. I don't know what's going on. I can't imagine they'll be any cooler than the 10 series graphics cards, so we'll have to wait and see. I'm really pumped to test out these units, but I don't expect any miracles here. I mean, something's got to give, right? Unless they've really done something to the cooling, but they look like the same models, just sort of retrofitted with something better. So yeah, available 29th of Jan. And actually in a previous video, I said that the Alienware m17 had a 240Hz model coming out and didn't sort of make sense with a 1070 Max Q. Well, it makes sense now. If you can get a 2070 or a 2060, you know, and it's fast as a 1070 Ti, yeah, makes sense then. So expect all the usual suspects. And this makes me a little sad, being like, I like my Macs, and then you see the Vega 20 and like, yes, this Vega 20 is awesome. And then, you know, these sort of laptops come out and you go, oh no, the Vega 20. So anyway, I'm really excited to see these laptops. Just thought I'll keep you up to date. And also, they're going to be supporting adaptive sync. So monitors now with adaptive sync should work with G-Sync now. Or they're going to be testing a whole bunch of monitors. You can turn it on if you want manually, but that's really exciting. Also, these laptops have been worked to use red footage, like to be able to code 6K, 8K red footage. Even the 2060 can do that. So any laptop with a 2060 will be able to edit 6K, 8K red footage. Wow, that's friggin' awesome. I'm excited. Woo! Catch you next one. Tally. Oh.